So you want to be an AI filmmaker. But there's one tiny catch. Every shiny program out there wants your soul and possibly a mortgage payment. How are we supposed to bring our creative vision to life without burning money on credits or maxing out our credit card? Good news, you don't have to. You can actually create your masterpiece without costing you much, only your time and patience. Think of it as a creative sweatshop where the only thing getting exploited is your optimism. But the real question is, are you willing to pay that price? Great! Let's go make a movie on ramen money. Meet your free AI filmmaking dream team. Animan, Wan 2.5, Higgsfield, and Pixverse. They won't buy you a yacht, but they'll help you fake one on screen. First, Animan. This is your main workhorse. Why? Because it's fast, free, and can generate both anime and 3D photorealistic character videos. You can actually make realistic style scenes without spending a dime. The catch? Patience. Sometimes it nails the shot on the first try. Sometimes it'll make your characters look like they've had a bad day for a dozen attempts. That's when having Wan 2.5 as your backup comes in handy. Wan 2.5. Think of it as your flexible secondary tool. It's basically unlimited, so you can generate as many videos as you want, slowly if you're willing to wait. Their site gives you 10 free credits daily for fast generation, so save them for the shots you really care about. Then there's Higgsfield. Before, they hand out 20 credits you can spend any way you want, but now the free tier has changed. Now you can make at most 2 videos a day and only with select free models, like Kling. It's perfect for those 1 or 2 hero shots that need to look extra cinematic without draining your free resources. And finally, Pixverse. This is your cinematic glue. It can handle smooth transitions and motion effects that one sometimes fumbles. Use it to make your montage look polished, your cuts seamless, and your AI film slightly less like a slideshow of regrets. So, here's the budget creator playbook. Animan is your main engine. Free, fast, versatile, realistic, and occasionally a little temperamental. Wan 2.5 is your backup and your patience tester. Unlimited generation, daily 10 credits, and willing to handle the slow grind. Higgsfield is for your hero curated moments. 2 polished clips a day on select models. And Pixverse is the magic polish that makes everything flow. You don't need a studio. You need ideas, patience, and a willingness to watch AI argue with itself for hours until it gets your emotional monologue right. Between Animan's speed and realism, Wan's flexibility and credits, Higgsfield's hero shots, and Pixverse's smooth transitions, you've got a free toolkit that can actually make AI filmmaking happen, even if your wallet disagrees. You don't need to pay thousands for software. You just need creativity, consistency, and the patience of a caffeinated saint. Because in the end, money's optional, but creativity? That's priceless. And a little unhinged, which is perfect for art. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what's the cheapest, weirdest film idea you'll try with these tools. I might feature the best or worst one next time. Later, filmmaker, go make something questionable and wonderful.